Anyways, did you hear the recording? Did you try to play the recording?
Yeah.
Sure or no? Yes or no?
Right now I'm starting, and previously I have a class.
Anyways, I'll repeat what we have done yesterday. Okay. The first thing what I have done, what I told.
Give me 1 second. Here no recording.
No, I'm recording it. I'll send you the recording. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I'll send you the file.
Okay, sure.
So,
Okay, sure.
so what is the first? When you start a developer, what is the first thing you have to do? The first thing is you have to set the environment variable, right? JW user role. Did you do this one first of all?
Yeah.
I opened the remote desktop, which is given to you. Here you did not set any variable, right? You did not set any variable.
Okay.
No, are you getting or not? You tell me that frankly. You can't go on assumption. Tell me what have you understood what we discussed yesterday or not?
Mm, First we have to create one folder, right?
Correct, perfect. So I saw
Under the
you created this folder, right? Jada home, Jada, and this is the correct one. What you have done is the correct, perfect. This is the first thing which you have done.
okay.
And what you have to do with this folder? You have to set the value, right? You have to set this JW
Yeah.
user home environment variable to this folder. So where do you have to do? So go to my computer, click on properties,
Okay. Okay.
click on advanced, click on environment
Advanced
variables, click on new.
environmental variable.
You set the user variable name and you set the value to this location.
Okay. Okay.
Why you have not set?
Yeah, I got it.
No. Or you are not aware how to set the value or what was the issue?
No, I can't ever. I didn't set this one.
Yeah, I just okay. Anyways, so this is the first thing you have to do when you work on the developer. Okay. Now it is good to start it. Just simply start the developer now. So this is our
Did you
shortcut.
set this environmental variable?
Sorry. Just now I said no. My
Did
computer, my computer property.
already?
No, for in your system I'm setting it now. Oracle user 13 account. For your user system I'm setting it. Environment variables.
No, no. What I am telling is that path. What we have to do there? We have to set new path, right?
That's it. That is what he said now. This is the location I am giving now. Data user home is my variable name, and this is a location. This is a location of this one.
Okay, okay.
This is the environment variable, and this is the value. Variable name and
Uh,
value. This is my variable name, and this is a value. Why are we setting this value? Because we want to keep our framework. We want to keep our source code in a separate folder. If you don't set the value, what will happen is it will create it will create in different folders. It is very difficult to identify it. That is the basic thing is if you set the environment variable, then it will work according to our own way. That is the only thing. Even if you don't set also, it will work. But that is not a good practice. The good practice is always set the environment variable to appropriate location.
okay, okay.
Got it?
If it is not set means automatically means we have to give that path, right?
Even if you don't set the variable name also, it will work. But as of now, assume that it is mandatory. Even if you don't set also, it
Oh,
will work. But that is not a good practice at all. So the basic thing
okay.
is we have to know this. We have to know about this information. That is why wonderfully I'm stressing on this one. The first thing is make a note that it is mandatory to set the variable name. This is our variable name and this is our value.
Okay.
Because whatever the source code we write now, whatever the source code we write it now, we want to keep in our folder structure. That is the thing. Whatever the source code we write
Yeah.
now, we want to store in our separate folder. We don't want to copy with other folders. That is the only reason.
Yeah.
Okay? Click
Yeah.
OK, and that's it. Now the next step is you start your developer. So you know, right? Like this is a shortcut. Just simply double click on this shortcut.
Mm-hmm.
So it is asking to migrate something. Just skip. Don't click on anything. Just click on no. Just click on no.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is the first time we are starting our developer in our this different user account. Okay. So we have to set all the properties again. You have to set all the properties again. What was the other thing?
One more thing I want to ask, when we are creating the pages, okay, first we are creating the workspace, then after
Project,
project, then after
package,
AM
yeah.
package, sorry, project package, then after page AM, like that. If we are not saved, that one means automatically it will save or it will delete.
When if you don't save it, automatically it will not save it. You have to save it, then only the pages will get, the page or whatever you create will get saved in the system. It's a common practice. No? Even if you design an
have to save.
1 minute, if you design an RDF report, if it without clicking on save, what will happen? Your report will not be saved, right? The same thing. I think it's the editor, right? It's the editor. When let us say 1 minute, I'll tell you simple thing. Let us say you write something here. If you don't save it and if you do close it, what will happen? If you close it without saying, what will happen? The content will be lost, right? Is this what you're asking? Is it you're asking?
Sorry?
Is this the thing you're asking or any other question?
No, that is Notepad you are telling, but I am asking about JDeveloper.
वही तो कैसे is editor, right? Anything is editor. In any even to take any editor without saving, why will the editor save for you? If you don't save it, why will the editor save for you? Are you getting it?
Yeah.
The same concept. It is the computer stuff. Always, maybe some editors are so intelligent. Even if you don't click on save, it may save, but it is not at all a good practice, right? As a developer, we always need to save it. Whether it saves or not, that's a different story. But as a developer, it's a common practice for us to save our data.
Yeah.
It may save some data, but may not be all data. It may save some data, but not all the data. Now, if you just create a page and just simply click on cancel, it will ask you that whether you want to save the data or not. Simply, it will ask you whether you want to save it or not. So, if you click no, it will not save data. If you click yes, it will save data. So, see, editor is always an editor, right? Notepad, MS Word, or maybe your JDeveloper or RDF report builder. In the end, all the same concept. Okay. Now the next step is we have to set the environment variable, and the second step is you have to create database connection. Create a database connection. So how to create a database connection here? Click on connections here. Click on connection.
Yeah.
Click on database here, and right click here and click on new database connection.
Yeah.
Click on next. You observe carefully. I will not repeat this concept again. Click on next.
Connection is where you click once you show me.
The connection is here. Application Navigator, this is a connection here. There are two things, right? Two tabs. Application Navigator and Connection Navigator.
Okay.
If you, in the worst case, if something is closed, you click on a view, and here also you can observe Connection Navigator. Can you see? Click on a view and click on Connection Navigator. So now we have to create a database connection, and it should have apps database password. It should have only apps database password.
Okay.
Click on new database connection. Click on next.
Okay.
Mention your connection name. It can be any name. It's a user defined name.
Okay.
Click on next and give your apps database password, apps and apps.
Okay.
And here, then the host name glo.com and SID is BIS. Okay?
Okay.
Click on next and test the connection.
Connection.
Next and finish.
Test connection.
Finish. Okay, now our connection is ready. What is the next thing we have to do? What is the next thing we have to do?
DBC file.
Yeah, DBC file is already placed in this location, so as of now, it doesn't need to bother about it. So let me show you data home, data DBC file and secure. So this file is already there in this folder, so it doesn't need to bother about it. Okay, now in this location, the DBC file is already there. Okay. Next step, you have to set tools default project properties. The tools default project properties, there are three settings you have to do. One is database connection. runtime connection details. Runtime details or something is there. So click on tools, default project properties here in the JDeveloper. Click on tools, default project properties. Right? Click on database connection first. You select this option here and select the connection which you have created just now.
Okay.
Select the connection which you have created just now.
Connection.
Okay.
As connection. Okay.
And now click on run options. You select diagnostics here.
Diagnostic. Okay.
And after that, in the runtime connection, what you have to do? You have to select our DBC file.
Username.
You have to select our DBC file. So our DBC file is available in this location, right? Location.
Yeah.
Okay. Select the DBC file, and this is your front-end login detail. Operations, welcome, and application short name is FND, and responsibility application service.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
That's it. So now our configuration of the developer is done. Now coming to the next step, now our configuration is done. So we will create our sample pages now. So shall I make you the presenter if you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what you do is 1 minute. Okay. I'll save in the notes. So what you do is, can you log into this remote desktop now? Can you log into the remote desktop now? Same remote desktop.
Yeah.
Okay, just log in there. 1 minute, let me close this one. Yeah, now log into your remote desktop. And I'll make it a presenter now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I'm able to see your screen. Now open the remote desktop. Remote desktop. Start, run.
Sorry.
Start button. Start button. Yeah. Yeah. MSTSC. Yes. Okay, just click on connect. I think your power is off, I think. Your power is down.
Sorry?
Your power is less, I guess, in the laptop. Right? It's giving a signal. Sorry.
Sorry,
No, your laptop power is getting drained.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, now what you do? So click on our JDeveloper. Click on the JDeveloper now. So now all the settings are done. It doesn't need to create any settings now. Okay. So it is good to start. Now we can just directly start creating workspace, project, and hello world page. So click on close. So right click on the application. New OAF workspace. And give any workspace name there. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. Don't change anything. Don't change anything.
But
no, don't.
I have to say that.
No. Don't change anything. Don't change anything.
Okay.
Click OK. Click on next. Yeah, there you see your project name.
Project name.
Yes. Okay, fine. Click on next. Click on next. 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 Go with the default. Don't change anything. Simply click on next. Okay. Finish. Okay, now it is generating some set of files. So now, can you see your directory, Nivedita directory? Go to your Nivedita directory.
Okay.
It's there in the DOM. It's there in the DOM. The taskbar. Click on that. Click on that. Click on your directory. Maximize. Click on maximize. Okay, can you see? Got it? So it has generated a workspace as well as a project for you in this location. So remember that don't change any settings once you start your creating a file. Don't change anywhere. Like don't give folder path.
Okay.
Now go to JDeveloper. Go to JDeveloper. Okay. Now right click on the project. Right click on the project. Click on new. New. First one. Okay. Click on area of business component. Business type. Business type. Application module.
Application.
Yeah. Click on OK. And just click on OK here. Don't change any option. Click OK. Click next. Okay. Now the package. Remember what is that? You can give anything, but start with XX. You start with XX. XX.
Okay.
Mention something. XX. Mention your client name.
Okay. Yeah.
No, don't give capital letters. Don't give capital letters. Go with a small case.
XX new.
Give something new, no? Already we have used VM, right?
Application module, right?
No. Package structure. Don't give like that. First client name. What is your client name? Write client name XX. Yeah. Don't go with different cases. Simple small case. Follow small case only. Go with XX VMware. Go with XX VMware. Dot Oracle apps fnd server. Okay. Yeah. Now in the application module name, next box, there you mention your application module name. So maybe you can say that VMware Business Services AM. VMware Business Services AM. Now here you can go with the class is a class name, right? So you can go with upper cases. Camel case. VMware Business Services AM.
Space or any hyphens?
No space, no hyphens. VMware Business Services AM. Go with the camel case. Don't go. See, either only package should be always small. Package should be always small letters. But when you have a class name, you have a Java class name convention, right? Camel case. Remember, every word should be capital letter. Not all the words. Only word should be capital letter. The starting letter of the word should be capital letter. So do that way.
Okay. I mean, VMware also V only capital.
Yeah, right. Remove that old stuff. V small, small m. Yeah. In business service, B capital. That's it. No space. Okay. And give a suffix AM. Capital AM. Okay. Good. Yeah. Click on next. Simply go with the default. Click on finish.
Next.
Nothing. Not required. Just click on finish.
Finish.
Yes. Click expand application sources. Right? Perfect. Expand that project also. Expand that package. Click on plus symbol there. The package. 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 What is the package? Access VMware. Scroll up.
This one means package, right?
Access VMware is in the package, na? Access VMware. Expand that. Access VMware. Expand. When you say expand, you have a plus symbol there, right? Just beside the left symbol, left side of your access VMware. Where is your access VMware? Scroll up. नहीं यार सही है वही है.
Sorry.
Scroll up there. Scroll up. Can you see access VMware? Yes. Click on plus symbol there. Oh, that's it. Again expand. Again expand.
Okay.
That's it. Once more.
Okay.
Yes. Slow, slow. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what you do? Right click on the project. Right click on the project. Click on new. OA component. Page. Okay. And first of all, set your package structure. Set your package structure. Click on browse. Click on browse. Okay. You have to type it also. You have to type the remaining thing. Access VMware dot Oracle dot. You have to type the remaining thing. Dot Oracle dot apps dot.
Okay, that part.
Dot FLE dot web UI. Web UI.
Okay.
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 That's it. Wait. In the name you give your page name. Give your page name. And give suffix as PG. Give suffix PG. PG, not page, PG. Okay. 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 Now click on the region 1, left side. Yeah. And no. Wait. Remove your right click. Click on region 1. Okay. Now in the property inspector, wait. Don't right click. In the property inspector, set the aim definition first. Set your aim definition. Yeah. BC4J. Yeah. Rename your. No. Don't change that. In the BC4J. Can you see BC4J? Aim definition.
Sorry, BC?
BC4J. Aim definition. Click on that. Yeah. Click on that button. Yeah. Set your aim. Okay. And little bit scroll down. Can you see window title, page title? In the visual section. Down. Little bit down. Yeah. Window title.
Okay.
Window title. Set the value. Set your window title. Type something. Give some name. Okay. And the next, yeah, that there also you give it. That's called page title. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. So
you have to give something different means so you can identify it.
Title, VM title or something. Page title. Page title. Give it as VMware page title to identify.
Space is allowed.
It is allowed. It's a prompt, right? It's allowed. User understandable manner. The space is allowed. So on the ID, in the top section, first property, there you rename it. You rename it as main region. Main small RN capital.
Sorry, name.
Main region. MAIN. MAIN. M should be small. Region nahi yaar. Region. Sorry. RN capital. Suffix RN.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, perfect. So pay for the guard and run the page. How do you run the page? Right click on the page, run it. Click on run. Click on run.
Yeah.
Yes. It will take some time. First time, right? It will take some time.
Yeah.
Good. Yes, click on yes. Okay. Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the page title. Okay.
Fine. Now you create a controller. You create a controller, and also in your page you create a button. In your page you create a button and create a controller.
Okay.
So how do you create a controller?
Controller.
Set new controller. Third option. No, set new controller. Yes, yes. Click on that and remove the web UI 2 times. 1 minute. 1 minute. Remove the web UI 2 times.
Okay.
And web UI. Okay. No, but 1 minute. The class name. 1 minute. Click on class name. Rename the class name. Rename the class name. First CO. Rename it as first CO. First, always your CO name should be matching with your page name. First C. So these are all standards. Okay, it's not mandatory, but it's standard. Click on OK now. Click on OK. Got it? Now, can you see the total code of your first CO?
Yeah.
You move the property inspector a little bit right side, so you can see the total code properly. The property inspector, you just move it right side. Yeah. Using your mouse, you can do it. Yeah, yeah. Now double arrow is there, na? Just move it. Again try. Again try. Yeah. Yes, correct. Okay. Observe the code here. By default, it will generate two methods, right? Process request as well as process form request.
Process form request.
Okay. Yeah. So now what you do? Click on your page. Click on your page. Left side. Where is your page? Yeah. First.xml. Yeah. First page.xml. Yes. Click there. And right click on the main region. Right click on the main region. Where is the main region? The structure.
Main region.
Yes. Right click there. Perform a right click. Yeah. Click on new item. Okay.
Yeah.
Click there. Click that. Okay. Now in the property inspector, you set the properties of it, like the visual prompt, ID, and all those things. You set them appropriately.
Sorry?
In the ID, give it as user ID, something, any name. Give it as user ID or username or something. Give it as username. Okay. And go to the label. Scroll down. Prompt. There is a section called prompt. Scroll down. Visual prompt. In the property inspector, scroll down. Scroll down.
Okay.
Or
Visual prompt.
yes, perfect. So there you enter the description what you want to give it for this one. Enter username.
Sorry?
You give the appropriate description for this. Enter username or something like that. Yeah, good. So now in the main region, create one more item. In the main region, you create one more item.
The name? Sorry?
In the main region, create another item. Main region, create another item.
Okay.
New item. Right click on the main region.
Yeah. Already.
New item. Okay. Change the item style to submit button.
Okay.
No. Change the item. Yeah. Item style to submit button. Submit button. Top. Yeah. Submit button. Or sort of scroll down. Scroll down. That you'll find submit button. Yeah. You make use of mouse. Don't use your keyboard. Yeah. Fine. And rename your ID of the button. Give any ID there. Go, click, go, something.
Okay.
And visual prompt, you mention what is the thing you want to show to the user. In the visual prompt, there itself. Visual prompt. Okay, perfect. Now, what is the thing you have to do? You can remove that extra text box. You can remove that extra item 2. Click on item 2. Click on item 2. No, do you want to delete it or do you want to enter something?
Sorry?
Item 2, what do you want to do? Leave it like that as of now. Just leave it like that.
Okay.
Leave the item 2. Don't do anything. Leave it like that. Now what you do is, hello?
Yeah.
Go to the CO, process form request.
See, process form.
It cannot be, click OK. Okay, click OK. Yes, perfect. Go to process form request. Scroll down.
Yeah, process form request. Okay.
So in that write the logic. If page context dot get parameter, that logic.
हाँ भैया मम्मी का नंबर स्विच ऑफ बता रहा है
Process form request, we have to write first.
How to handle the button? Button handling logic. Write that logic. If page context dot get parameter, remember?
ठीक
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है
First we have to.
You remember the code of that or not? 1 minute.
Sorry?
Do you remember the code of that or not? Let me write it then for you. You give me control, I'll write it. So here, let's observe this.
Get.
If page context dot get parameter, 1 minute, dot get parameter. What is your button name? It's a go, right?
Okay.
Can you write it? It's difficult to write it.
Yeah.
Can you try? In the page context to get parameter, pass the button ID there in the double quotes.
Yeah, parameter.
Can you write it? Hello?
Yeah.
Can you write it, that code?
Yeah.
So with the double quotes, mention your button ID. Mention your button ID. Jivo, right? Jivo, go.
Sorry?
You mentioned the
Where
button.
I have to go?
You mentioned the button ID. Jivo, go.
Okay.
Go, not equal to null.
Give me 1 second. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm there. Nivedita.
Yeah. Actually, I connected a data card now, that's why it's somewhat, it's not audible. It's Bluetooth.
Hello?
Yeah?
Nivedita.
Wait, yeah, my page is,
Okay.
hello?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, if we will open again means it will open same thing or we have
No, it will
addition
open. It will open it. It's already saved. It's already saved.
save.
Once you run the page, we have run the page once, right? So automatically the data will get saved.
Okay.
Some concept, something would have been lost, but something is there. Something will be there. Now projects.
Sorry?
It depends upon at what point of time your browser is closed. Click on that. Close
Yeah.
it. Expand the workspace project. Application resources. Yes. Expand that project. No, not resources.
Project.
Yes. FND again. Web UI. Right? Yeah. It is saved. Click on your page. Yes. Oh, it lost. It lost the buttons. You create the buttons again. Create the button as well as icon.
Oh, a button is last one.
Yeah. Till the time when you have run, it's saved. So that is why always just press Ctrl S. Don't wait for the editor to save it.
Sorry, Control S. Okay.
Visual prompt. Visual prompt. Up. Go to CO. CO is already there. No, CO is already there. First CO. CO is already there. First CO.java. Here.
Okay.
Oh, below web UI. Double click that. Double click there. Left double click.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now write your code in the process form request. If page content.get parameter not equal to null,
It's not coming. Small capital fish. I'm sorry.
if first of all give parenthesis, if parenthesis, remove that PG, parenthesis.
Okay.
What is the page context object? It is there already in the top right. Enable the line numbers. Enable the line numbers.
Line number.
Just a white space to see. 1 minute. Toggle line numbers. Okay. What is the page context here? Just copy this page context object here. Line number 39. You have page context object, right?
Page context.
Object. Page context object, line number 39.
39. Okay.
Copy that object. Copy the object name. Object name, not class name. Object name. Yes. Copy that. Paste in your if condition. Dot. Type get parameter. Get parameter. Yes. Perfect. Select that. In double quotes. Double quotes.
Get parameter from.
Double quotes.
Sorry.
Mention double quotes. Alphabet double quotes. String here, we have to pass the string, na? The button ID. We have to pass the button ID. Pass it in a double quotes. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
What happened?
Yeah.
Restarted again. What happened to your network?
Okay.
Again. Sorry.
Yeah, actually disconnected net.
It won't happen, na? Why it is getting disconnected?
Actually, my data card is sick. That's why this. Okay. Get parameter.
Double quotes.
Next parameter, right?
Double quotes, yeah. Double quotes.
Double quote. Okay.
Double quotes, not single. Double quotes. Mention double quotes, no? Yeah. There you type
Okay.
go. What is the button ID?
Yeah.
Remember the button ID?
Go.
Yeah. Not equal to null. After parenthesis, right?
Button ID.
After the parenthesis,
Button
right?
ID.
It is go only. It's correct only.
Yeah.
Correct only.
Yeah.
Not equal to null, right? Condition not equal to null. No, yeah. Remember, you brush up your Java skills. It is very tough. 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute, I'm typing.
Yeah.
Right? Now your button, first of all, identify your button name. Always should match, right? This is a go button, right? That is what we mentioned here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is your button, this component name? 1 minute. User ID. So copy the user ID name.
Okay.
Copy that name, yeah. Okay. So paste it here. Paste in your controller. Just for our purpose. Paste it here. Okay. Now, what do you do? How do you get the value from this one? OA message text input. Remember, OA message text input. Write the wrapper class. OA is capital letter. OA message text input. OA capital letter. Write message text input. Message. नहीं है, total capital letters नहीं है, only MS capital letter. MESSAG. M is capital letter. You have to follow camel case.
Okay. Message text input.
Text. TEXT, text. ऐसा नहीं आता, it will not recognize, your editor will not recognize that information. Why are you typing just beside user ID? Remove that user ID there. Remove that user ID first of all. Remove that user ID, yeah, fine. OA message text input. One minute.
But it should be populated automatically, right?
That is what I will show you now. Just see here. 1 minute. You have to follow what happened. 1 minute. Fine. Clear?
Yeah.
You have to follow this particular camel case. Then only it will pop up. Else it will not pop up. Press Alt Enter. Right?
Okay.
Now double click here to expand the editor. Okay, is equal to webbin.findIndexTable recursive.
Webbin dot
Find index child recursive.
Find indexed child. Okay.
Okay. And this you mention your user ID.
Okay.
And then click on this balloon icon. This balloon line number 46. It is showing some quick fix, right? Quick fix. Click here. Right?
Quick fix.
Type cast.
Yeah.
Click on cast. Okay. Perfect. Now write a string. Declare a string variable. Declare a string variable. S is a capital letter.
String variable.
Username is equal to. Username is equal to.
Username or ID?
You can declare any variable name. Username is equal to.
Sorry?
You can have any variable name. It's a normal programmable practice, right? You can have any name there. Is equal to user ID dot user ID
Yeah.
user ID dot. What is your object name? U is capital letter, right? You have to type your object name there, right? User ID. U is a capital letter, the ID is a capital letter. Dot.
Dot.
Get value. Get GET. Type GET. Type GET. It will automatically come.
Get value.
Value. Again type B. Type B.
This one, right?
Get value, not attribute value. Get value. Yes. Third one. Yes.
Okay. This one, right?
Yes. In that you have to pass the page context object. Pass the page context object. You have to pass page context object. See, P is small here. Page context object, not a class. Page context object. We have done it now, just now.
Page
Page context object. Line number 40, you have a page context object, right? You have to pass that page context object. You remove the P capital letter, make the small letter. Yes, perfect. Correct. Perfect. And give a semicolon at the end of the line.
Sorry?
Give a semicolon at the end of the line. Semicolon at the end of the line. Yeah. Okay. Now click on line number 47, that red color bulb. Click on that red color bulb. Typecast. Okay. Now.
Why we are doing like this? Cast Java.
It will return a generic. It returns a generic object. It returns a generic object, that is why we are casting here. While returning the value, it never considers what is the case. So we have to consider the appropriate case while retrieving the value. Okay. Now you throw. Remember the exception. Throw new OA exception. Throw new OA exception. Throw THROW throw. 1 minute, I'll write here. Copy from here. Throw new OA exception. Yeah. New OA exception. And new. NEW. New.
Okay.
Wait. ऐसा नहीं होता.
I forget the stand.
1 minute. I understood. Wait for some time. Here.
Okay.
You open a notepad. Or 1 minute. Don't open anything. Give me control.
Yeah.
मोबाइल में टावर नहीं है
Information.
हाँ तो दर्द जलवा दिया जाएगा
Done. On the page.
नंबर का पता चल जाए उनको बोलना ना कि नंबर पता करेंगे और नंबर पता दर्द जला जाएगा
Okay. Okay.
Okay, enter the value there.
User ID.
Enter some name.
But we did, yeah. But we have to give data type, right?
If it's there, by default it's a string. It consider string by default. What happened? Click on go.
Yeah, already clicked. This current web page type.
Okay. Click yes, yes. Okay, it is not working, right? No, no issues. Let's click on our project. Why it was not assigned? So here it is not get, the control is not assigned to our page, right? Can you see?
Control.
Here, can you click on here from controller? Yeah, click here. Yeah, now 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, set the controller. It has to set maybe like during once we created our file, it got closed, right? That is why it lost the connection between the page and the controller. So now run the page again.
Okay.
Run the page again. Okay, done. Like while created our controller, the page was not saved properly. That's the reason it lost the connection.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see. You pray your God properly, no? You'll get the result. Okay. Now enter the name. Please go. Yes. Click on yes. Click on yes. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Enter maybe try with other name also. It should work. Fine. So try to practice on basic Java. Okay. And try to create multiple buttons now. Try to create multiple buttons and handle the other events also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Try to remember the code. So this is a code which will get repeated again every day. So you have to remember this code.
Okay. Okay.
So any doubts now?
Thanks.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay.
No.
So you create multiple pages. You try to practice how much you can, like create multiple pages, create the buttons. Okay. Try to set the value. I sent the file also, right? You can also observe the code. You can also observe the yesterday code and try to copy paste. Maybe it's initial class, right? So it may be tough to write the code on your own. So try to remember, try to mug up sometimes, try to practice it. Then it will become within 2 or 3 days. It will be easy.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so try to finish this all, like try to create multiple buttons, and in the process request also yesterday we have done a code to set the value, right? So try to do the same way. In the process request yesterday we have done the code to set the value also, isn't it? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Hello.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Fine for today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay then, चलो bye.